Pwalpar here. Do just a little bit of a YABO today. Or should I say YAPO? Yet another package opening. I saw something on Amazon the other day I just had to have when I didn't see it on Amazon. I saw a video on YouTube about it and I went to Amazon and ordered it. And it's something I just had to have. We'll open this one first. I'll be doing a demonstration of it in yet another video. This is just basically a look at what I've got. What do you think it is? There she be. It's the Klein Tools Digital Circuit Breaker Finder. I recently had some trouble with the ceiling fan in the kitchen, and we couldn't figure which circuit breaker to turn off down there at the box because I, in my ultimate wisdom, never did label the box when I wired this house. When I was younger, man, I pretty well had it all memorized on what each circuit breaker is. But I don't anymore. Over the years, not using the circuit breakers on a regular basis, it's just kind of faded from my mind. But I'll explain briefly what the thing does. I never heard of it before, but I think it'll come in handy as all get out. Comes with two pieces in this one. It's got two accessories here. So basically what you do, you take this thing and plug it into your wall. If you're checking for a circuit breaker, find a wall outlet, plug that into the wall. You carry this down to the circuit breaker box and hold it up to each circuit breaker. And when it beeps, you found the one that this is plugged into. Now this accessory here, you can just screw it into a light bulb outlet. So you're checking the ceiling lights, and it'll beep. I'm not sure what that one does. It's just a grounding plug, I guess. And it also comes with a wire. You can hook it straight to an alligator clip and check the wiring if your circuit breaker is not already wired up and working. Now that saves you from having to go down there and flip every circuit breaker in the house off and on, trying to guess which one you want to turn the power off to when you want to work on that circuit. And I think it's just handy as all get out. I'm not going to open it at this moment. You can see the package right here. Guess I could put my glasses on to see if it requires any batteries. I kind of doubt it. Visual and audible indicators clearly indicate the correct breaker. 90 to 120 volts operation. Determine wiring condition at electrical outlets. Oh well, I guess it'll tell you whether it's wired properly or not. Scan all breakers to learn the panel. And on second pass to locate the breaker. For each new test, reset the receiver and repeat. Learn and locate the steps. So it'll take a little know-how. Oh, I know what that other thing was. If you have a ground plug, circuit extension cord or something with a ground plug on it, you can adapt it to a 2-plug. Item not for individual resale. Anyway, it's made by Klein Tools, K-L-E-I-N. Well, I asked you to come with a battery. There it is right there. It's a 9-volt battery. I was going to give you the model number if I can find it. Okay, Klein tools. Right on the device it says ET310 Digital Circuit Breaker Finder. And from what I saw in the guy's video that I watched, it's a handy thing to have. I'm going to get my circuit breaker box labeled downstairs. So that's going to be an upcoming project for Walter. What's this? You say you got 2 packages? Well, I'll show you what this is. It goes with that. And all it is a case to put this stuff in. If you're anything like me, you'll have one piece in one part of the house, one piece in the other, and you'll never find them when you need to use them. If you keep it all in that case, you'll know right where your little LP210 is. ET310, I mean. Just a little zip-up hard case. That's my YABO for today. Walter's got another project in mind that has to be done. Y'all take care. Subscribe. Look over here. Look over there.